What's going on, everybody? It's Marshall here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I stay organized with video projects within Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Alright, so now that we're in Premiere Pro, we'll go ahead and navigate to this section right here. I did a test bin and labeled it footage. That's a great starting point because to make a video you need footage and audio, sometimes graphics and other little things to make it extra spicy. So with footage, within this bin, this is where you'll keep all your clips. Keep it nice and clean and organized, and then I recommend creating a new bin. And what I did there was just a left click, new bin. Now we'll add audio. And within this bin, all your audio assets basically live within here. So then what you can do is just drag and drop them within this bin. And now I usually add another bin with graphics, and you could spell out graphics. What I do, GFX for graphics. And also a new bin for sequences. Let's see if I could spell this right. So now we have audio, sequences, footage, graphics, and what else shall we include here? Sometimes I use photos within my edits, so photo bin would be nice. And this is the basics right here. So say if you have multiple sequences within a project, like you want to do a 15-second, 30-second, or however long sequence, well, you could do different cuts and then different sequences accordingly. And say if you had different ratios for like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever, you can keep all your sequences organized within this bin. And with graphics, say if you have a intro or outro that you wanted to include in a series or something, well, all of these graphics could live right there. Keep your footage nice and tight within the footage bin. Photos could live there, and then audio would live within there. And it's really simple and minimal, it might seem, but keeping it organized is a huge benefit in the long run. And trust me, I jump into video edits and do not stay organized sometimes, and it sort of bites me in the end. So definitely recommend spending an extra 10, 15, 20 minutes, however long it takes to have a nice organized post-production workflow to allow for a smooth post-production process.
Pretty simple. There's a lot of folder structures involved in labeling, but I think the extra steps taken in pre-editing goes a long way throughout the post-production process. So that's just my 2 cents on that, and hopefully it's received well. Until the next video.